Extracting pages from a PDF file on iPhone is not easy. Since iOS doesn't support this feature natively, you either have to pay a hefty subscription fee for a third-party app or deal with rabid ads. What if I told you there was an easy way to extract pages from PDF on iPhone which is free and doesn't require the use of any third-party app? Sounds too good to be true? Let's make this a reality. To extract pages from a PDF on iPhone, I will use the Shortcuts app. You can find the link for the shortcut I will use along with a link for our best iPhone shortcuts guide in the video description. Click on the shortcut link to open the shortcut in Safari and tap the Get Shortcut button. Now tap the Add Shortcut button to add it to your shortcuts library. There are two ways to run this shortcut. Firstly, you can tap the shortcut to open the file browser and use it to navigate to the PDF file. And secondly, if you already have the Files app open, you can use the Share menu to run this shortcut. Whichever method you use, the next steps will be the same. You will get two options to choose from. Tap to choose the first option if you want to extract only a few pages from the PDF file. It will present you with a page selector menu with none of the pages selected. If you choose the second Most Pages option, the page selection menu will open with all the pages selected and you can tap to remove the pages you don't want to extract. Once you have made your choice, tap the Done button. It will open the selected pages in a PDF viewer mode. Tap the Share button in the bottom left corner and use the Save to Files action to save the extracted pages where you want. And that's it. You have now successfully extracted pages from a PDF file on iPhone without using any third-party app. If you like this guide, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Also, let us know in the comments if you would like to see such videos in future. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.